Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purur. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
गोंयांतले दाबोळे आणि मोपा हे दोनूय विमानतळ चालू उरतले. विमानतळा खातीर गरज पडल्यार रस्त्यार येतले. दाबोळे विमानतळ कशेंच बंद जावंक दिवचे ना अशें ह्यान पयलीं सरकारान जायते फावट स्पश्टीकरण दिलां. मात सरकाराक जाय तशें जाल्लें दिसना. दाबोळे विमानतळ पुरायपणान नौदळ आपल्या ताब्यांत घेवंक सोदता म्हूण बोवाळ.
Senior Navy Admiral has written to the Defence Ministry saying that post-Operation Sindoor, the naval airport of INS Hanza may be required for strategic defence purposes. म्हळ्यार आमचे नेबर exact antipodal position to Karachi आसा म्हणून. GMRचो जर रिपोर्ट पळयलो जाल्यार GMR is making loss. GMR would like to make a monopoly by shutting down Daboli, and one senior admiral has written this, and by writing this may create the Daboli airport to be shut down. So this is a fear that I am expressing. If this is unfounded, you may say that it is unfounded. Avoid the closure of Daboli, because this is my apprehension.
I want to be on record on the floor of this house. Yeah. There is a sinister design by the private party to try and cannibalize and take more flights so that airport automatically closes.
डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर गोंयांत आयलो तेन्ना मुद्दामून ऑन रिकॉर्ड डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर हे स्वता आसा की आमी दाबोलीम एअरपोर्ट जो आसा हो केन्नाच बंद करचे ना हे तेच्यांनी क्लियर केला आनी दे आर ऑन रिकॉर्ड तांच्यांनी मुद्दामून सांगला.
मंत्री आणि तळाव आमदार मोविन म्हणटा वेळ पडल्यार रस्त्यार देवतले.
There have been certain things happening behind closed doors where Navy is at the central level is pressing at the behest of GMR to get more flights at Mopa and ask for the airport. This is the refrain as far as GMR is concerned. We can never allow such a issue to just slide like that. I want to mention one thing here. I am the MLA from Dabolim and I am on record earlier as well. I will do what it takes to see that Dabolim never closes. Even if I have to come on the road, I'll have to do it because it is something very dear to the whole of Goa.
Bureau Report, Prudent.